Hi, I'm Eric, and I'm one of the creators of Intelligent Media Design. With Intelligent Media Design, what we do is we actively market the people who are looking to buy a car now. And what we do is we market you so that they find you, they like you. You build rapport online without ever having to see them. They call you, and this is what they say. Hey, Eric, I just saw your video online. Do you still have that car available? Why, yes, I do. When would you like to come down and look at it? I'd like to come down and look at it right now. If it's available, I'm gonna buy it. And that's exactly what happens. These people are online looking for a car because they need it, and they need it now. I'm talking to all the car salesmen out there right now, and I gotta tell you guys, I love you guys. And the reason why is because I used to be a car salesman. And I started way back in the early 90s, okay? When it was easy to sell a car. It was so easy. The bus would roll in about 9:30 in the morning, about 3:30 in the afternoon. You'd easily sell a car a day. You talked to 2 or 3 people a day. You had some follow-up to do. It was great. Every weekend you'd get a hat trick. And it was easy to sell 20 cars a month. It was easy. Making a 6-figure income 10 years ago, 20 years ago was very easy in the car business, and you didn't have to work very hard. You didn't have to be a great salesman to do it. You just had to smile and be friendly. Okay? Things have changed. The way people buy cars now is different. And the problem is that the dealerships have kind of recognized this, but they're still kind of old school. Intelligent Media Design is a great program, and it's specifically designed for you guys. And what it does is it finds the people that are actively looking to buy a car now online to call you. My last couple of years in the car business were horrible, okay? I was not making the income I was used to. I was not making the sales I was used to. And it was just horrible. And I knew that everyone was going online, and I know you know that too. And yes, your dealership does advertise online, but they advertise the dealership, not you, okay? And when they call in, they're calling to the internet department, or they're calling to the sales desk. Now, what's the sales manager gonna do when he gets a phone call? I know, I did it when I was a sales manager. I gave it to the guy that I knew was gonna sell the car. I didn't necessarily give it to the guy who needed a sale. 10 years ago, a salesman could easily earn $120,000 a year. Right now, the national average is about $37,000 a year. 10 years ago, a car salesman was selling 14, 15, 16 cars a month easily. Right now, the national average is 8.5. Okay, commissions have gone from $800 a vehicle down to $330 a vehicle. Okay, so what's going on here? People used to visit 3 or 4 dealerships to buy their car before. Now it's like 1.2, 1.3 dealerships. They've already decided to buy before they come to the dealership. They have done their research online, they found the car that they wanted, they went online and found out where it was, and they went down and bought it. Now, what we do is we get them to find you, to call you, to come down and buy it from you. With Intelligent Media Design, we get an average of 1.4 leads per post, okay? Now we call them leads, but they're really not leads. What they are they're active buyers, okay? So what they've done before they call you is they've gone, I need to get a car. I need to get one right now. I've looked at my finances. I can afford to get one right now. I need to get it. Okay, I'm going online. Okay, what kind of car? I want an SUV. Okay, I search for an SUV. I find the one that I want. Okay, I want a Toyota 4Runner. But I want one that's about 2 years old, that's gonna have a great warranty on it, that's certified, and I'm looking it up, and I'm looking it up, and all of a sudden, bam, your video pops up with the car they're looking for. It's the color, the model, the trim line, everything that they're looking for. They watch a video of it. At the end of the video, it says, hi, I'm Eric, and I'd like to be your car guy. Give me a call right now if you'd like to buy this car, and you say your phone number. Guess what they do? They pick up the phone, they call you. Hey, do you still have that car available? You're like, yeah, come on down. You know what happens? They're not a lead. They've been researching online. They've seen your video. They already like you. You've already built rapport. When they come down to the dealership, it's like meeting a celebrity because they've seen you online. But the coolest thing is, they've already decided to buy the car before they come down to the dealership. And if you treat them well from the time they pull in to the time they pull out in their new car, I'm telling you, these are not leads, these are sales waiting to happen. The dealership spends a lot of money advertising online, advertising everywhere, okay? Over 90% of people shop for cars online now. If your dealership is doing radio, TV, bulk mail, all that stuff, that's less than 10% effective. Okay, people don't care. If you're sitting there calling lists day in and day out, The people that have been in the service department that have high mileage vehicles, they might want to trade out. These people are not looking to buy a car. It's like throwing your fishing rod into a lake where there's no fish. You're not going to catch anything, okay? Throw your fishing rod into the lake where all the fish are and where they're hungry and where they want to bite now. That's what we do. We get them to call you. Why not market yourself online? We are extremely effective. We get results. Our SEO is second to none. They will find you. Our return on investment is insane. Intelligent Media Design is the premier internet marketing technology. It is specifically designed for today's commission salesperson. We use the power of 4, the synergy of 4. We use SEO, search engine optimization. We use videos. We use online classifieds and social media to get you out there, to get you noticed, to get people to contact you. And you know what? This is results driven, and this really works because we have put an enormous amount of research and testing into the fact that how are we going to get your videos ranked? How are we going to get you noticed on Facebook? We know how to do that, and the rewards are so huge. So sign up for our webinar. Right at the bottom of the page is the sign up. You'll get an email with a link to go to the webinar. It's great information. Even if you don't want to use Intelligent Media Design, you're going to learn a lot about how to market online and how to get yourself out there. So I look forward to seeing you, and have a great weekend. Sell a bunch of cars.